Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to schedule an email to be sent later in Gmail. Let's dive right in. On a mobile device, start by opening the Gmail app and ensuring you're logged into your desired Gmail account. Tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner to start a new email. Select your recipient, add a subject, and compose your message. After writing your email, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Schedule Send. From there, you can choose a preset time or set a custom date and time by selecting Pick Date Time. On a computer or desktop, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Once on the main screen, click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and write your email. After doing this, click the More button next to the Send button and select Schedule Send. You can then choose your preferred time from the available options or set a custom time by selecting Pick Date Time, and that's it. You have successfully scheduled your email to be sent later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.